Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 3 Cecil Road. It's a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property located in Selly Park near to Cannon Hill Park and looking on to number 3. There's also a vehicle access leading around to the rear of the property where there is also a detached garage. First off, we're into the hallway, and there's a door through to the lounge and a door here at the side into the dining room. Lovely bay window here to the front of the property. And then we've got the stairs leading up to the first floor and an understairs storage area. Leading through to the kitchen. Here we have integrated cooker and hob, dishwasher, washing machine, fridge and freezer. And then leading outside, we have a shared access which leads around to the front of the property, and then the garden which is laid to lawn with a garage here as well. As mentioned, there is access to this from Kitchener Road, and there is also a gate providing access into the garden as well. And on to the first floor, we've got the landing area with window to side. And bedroom 1. Built-in wardrobe into the corner of the room. And then moving back through, we've got bedroom number 2. across into the bathroom.